All right, guys, if you are familiar with Live Portrait, then you know what a great app it is. That you can sit here, you can take different images, put something like this over on there, and then you can end up generating something like this. KO, right? Isn't that very cool? So if you don't know about this app, the only question I gotta say is why? Where you been, man? This is one of the greatest apps there is. But there is a problem with it. The install, okay, that we have walked through, and I'll put the link for the walkthrough on here, it has gotten broken. So there is a small step that needs to be taken, and we've created a patch for it. Very easy. You're going to be able to just get it over here on the Patreon page. Anyone that just signs up for free, for a free account can just download this. Boom, click it anywhere on your machine, and it's going to fix the thing. But I'm also going to walk you through how to do it manually as well. So it's just going to take just a minute, probably about a 3-minute process to get through this. So before we do that, though, I do appreciate it if you share the channel and like it. Hit that bell on there so you'll be sleeping. You'll be like, oh, wait, get going fast is posted. I gotta rush out of bed. Sorry, hun. I gotta get going fast and get on over there. So I do appreciate that. So we're gonna get right back and show you the real quick process of how to get Live Portrait patched, fixed, and going. Yo. All right, so if you have installed this with the one click, you'll know that you just go to your file explorer here, and we're going to start from here. Now, what you can do if you're already a member and you have access to the one click, just re-download it. Okay, you can actually, the patch comes within it here, or you can just reinstall it and it's going to fix everything else. But let's say you don't want to do that. You've got it, or maybe you got it and you're not a member no more. And this is also going to work if you've installed it yourself just manually, which is great, man. You should be installing this stuff manually as well if you can, because that's how you learn. But here's what we're going to do, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to open up our terminal window, okay? So we're going to go over here to our command prompts. If we can find her here, okay? And it really doesn't matter where you are when you do this, okay? So it's because this uses a Conda environment. Conda is not folder specific. You can call it from anywhere. So that's why this is going to work no matter where we go. So it's really easy. What we're going to do is we're going to activate the virtual environment. Conda. Okay, Conda is the name of the program we're going to call. Then we're going to tell it what do we want the program to do. We want to activate a virtual environment. And which one? It's called Live Portrait. Okay, so if you followed either the one click or you followed the online instructions, it's all going to be the same. Okay, so you're just going to click that, and then you notice we're going to be in the Live Portrait thing. Now, here's what we're going to do. We have to change up something that was in here. We're going to have to change a specific version of Fast API. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to type PIP, that's the package installer for Python. Whoops, oh my God, if I could type, pip install, okay? Then we're going to type Fast API, that's the application that we want to install, but then we're going to put 2 equals because we want a very specific version. We want 0.112.2. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put -- force, and what this is going to say, it's going to say override whatever's in there, because sometimes you'll put it here and it'll just use the cache and it'll be like, oh, I changed it, but it didn't. Okay, so by typing -- force, you're making certain that it does work. So you're going to click it, okay, bam, and then it's going to go through. Let's make this a little smaller so you can see everything here, and then you see it's done. That's all you have to do. Okay, so then you just go back to running your program. If you've got, we created a little run bat file here, so you just click that and the program is going to load up, and then you're ready to go. So how do you know that you have the error in the first place? if you had there in the first place, you would not be able to get your images to load up, okay? You'd be getting an error when you tried to load the images. The fact that they're up here, that they're running, they're working, okay? So very cool application. Really glad we got this fixed. I love this application. I make music videos of it, of my own music, create a picture using Flux, and then I just mouth lip the music and put it to such a very cool application. So all you got to do is follow those commands, activate your Conda environment, pip install the thing, and get it going. Otherwise, just head over to the Patreon page and just sign up for a free account if you don't already have one, and you can just download the patch right there. Okay? All right. Get back to making some good stuff and send it to me. I want to see it. All right. We'll catch you later. Until the next time. Yo.